Queen of the Maharaja, whenever it could be challenged by the feudal structure of the state. In 1827, the French legion played a decisive role in crushing the first Wahhabi jihad in India, launched from Peshawar by Sayyid Ahmed Pahlavi. The French officers of transition then proposed to the Maharaja to seize Peshawar and Kabul for him. He refused at first, but then he allowed them in 1834 to annex the Lahore, the crown and territory of Peshawar, up to the Khyber Pass next. After the crushing of the Norman army of reconquest in 1837, this area passed and remained until 1843 under the effective command of the French generals and their military units. Moreover, it was thanks to a mountain battalion created by James Radcliffe for Raja Dynasty of Jammu that the Raja was able to conquer Ladakh, known as Imperial Tibet, and detach this province from the authority of Lhasa at that time already under Chinese rule. The annexation of Ladakh to the Punjab Kingdom assured its possession to India, not to China. In the same manner, the annexation of Peshawar territory to the Punjab Kingdom assured its possession by Pakistan today, not Afghanistan. Next. The father of General Court had served under Napoleon Bonaparte in the French expedition d'Egypte, where he had seen the work accomplished by the scientists of the expedition. The curiosity of Cook and his brother officers brought several of them, Allard and Ventura, but also Colonel Boulton and Lafont, as well as Dr. Pedet, chief of the health service of the army, the Punjab Army,